Do you want to know the best design trends in 2022? Then stay tuned. Yo, what's up you guys, welcome to Domix Design. Once again in this video we're gonna review some of the best design trends in 2022 that you surely want to use them in your design. This video is the second episode of this whole 2022 design UX and UI design trends. If you want to watch the first episode, the link is in description. Don't forget to watch it as well. Now let's up into it. Number 1, dark mode. This trend isn't a novel concept, but its relevance is only growing. Companies like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Apple were pioneers in using dark interfaces, and many other companies followed suit. Diving into Apple Developers Forum, you may come across various surveys showing that between 50 and 82% of iPhone users choose dark mode in system preferences. So why would it be different with apps? A white text on dark background stands out and is better remembered. The design is more trendy and the use is more convenient, while a light mode can be uncomfortable for eyes during prolonged use. It is especially acute in the evening and after waking up, when most people use phones, as we know. Number 2, animated effect. There's no better way to make the interface dynamic than using animation or video. And if the latter is a little more complicated because the video is relevant in a specific situation, the animation seems appropriate almost everywhere. This design trend is one of the best in this year. Even micro movement can significantly change the UI and the use of the app. You can draw attention to the right elements, making them animated, hint at the action to be taken next, increase conversion, or even sales. Number 3, voice interaction. In 2022, UX design is not limited to the visual aspect. Consider adding your app voice. Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa are being used more and more and significantly improve the user experience. It's one of the new design trends which is here to stay, but be careful and make voice interaction optional, because while beneficial in some situations, it can cause discomfort to users in others. Number 4, no password. In case of mobile applications, passwords are sure to become a move to. They're not secure, inconvenient to enter and remember, and with such a rapid development of technologies, it's logical not to pay attention to them and consider their implementation. The simplest and already quite popular way to execute these technologies is a possibility to unlock or log into the app via fingerprint scanning or Face ID. Keeping up with the UI and UX design trends is necessary for a job looking to grow, but on the other hand, following all these design trends and knowing the best way to implement them is a time-consuming and challenging task. So you have to be patient and subscribe this channel to let me help you grow as a UI and UX designer. All these facts I said in these 2 episodes show how much effort we put in this work. So to help us stay focused and be energetic, don't forget to grab the like and click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Also, if you want to elevate yourself and be 10 times better UX designer, watch this.